simple way to get the values of trigonometric table. The angles are written in the horizontally in the increasing order, that is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Then the ratios are written vertically in the order sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, then sec theta and cot theta. Now first the sin values. Let the first horizontal row, that is, ask the angle starting from 0 degree, then write the numbers from 0 and for each angle, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ask the number, that means the last number is 4, then divide each and every number by 4. So after dividing all of 10, 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4 and 4 by 4. After simplification, that is 0, then 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 3 by 4 and 1. Now by taking the square root of each and every values, we will obtain square root of 0, square root of 1 by 4, then square root of 1 by 2, square root of 3 by 4 and square root of 1. Then further simplification we will get 0, root 1 by root 4, root 1 by root 2, root 3 by root 4 and root 1, that is 1. Then after simplification we will obtain 0, the values of sin theta are 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. So we obtain these values of sin theta. And for cos theta values, we just write the values of sin theta in the reverse order. That is, fifth value becomes the first value and fourth value becomes the second value and so on. So this will be 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. And we know tan theta equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. So tan 0 equal to sin 0 divided by cos 0 and so on. So here we obtain 0, tan 0 equal to 0 by 1, that is 0. Then for 30 degree we have tan 30 equal to sin 30 divided by cos 30. So after simplification we will obtain 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2 and this will be 1 by root 3. After simplification we will obtain 1 divided by root 3. Then for tan 45 degree, that is tan 45 degree equal to sin 45 degree divided by cos 45 degree and this will be 1 by root 2 divided by cos 45 degree equal to 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2 will obtain here 1. So tan 45 degree, the value is obtained 1. Now for tan 60, for 60 degree, tan 60 equal to sin 60 degree divided by cos 60 degree. So this will be root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. Now we will obtain root 3 by 2 into 2 by 1. So this will be 2 to cancel and we obtain tan 60 degree equal to root 3. Now for 90 degree, tan 90 degree equal to sin 90 degree divided by cos 90 degree and this is equal to 1 divided by 0 and which is not defined, that is valueless. And cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. So cosec 0 degree is the reciprocal of the value of sin 0 degree, that equal to the reciprocal of 0 which is not defined. So cosec 0 is not defined. So in the same order we will get the remaining ratios of cosec theta as cosec 30 equal to 2 by 1, cosec 45 degree is equal to the reciprocal of 1 by root 2, that is root 2, cosec 60 degree is equal to 2 by root 3, cosec 90 degree is equal to the reciprocal of sin 90, that equal to 1 which is equal to 1. So in this way we will obtain the value of cosec. Now for the sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta, so I obtain the values of sec theta, and cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. And the not defined values count alternately end to end, just like this. Remember this order. So let us repeat once again in the shortest way. Now we will obtain for sin theta values we write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and divide by 4 and simplify. Now take the square of the simplification, will get sin theta values. Now for the cos theta values, simply write the sin theta values in the reverse order. Now for the tan theta values, we'll divide the corresponding sin theta values by the cos theta values. For the cosec theta values, cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta, so write the reciprocal of corresponding sin theta values. For sec theta values, write the reciprocal of corresponding cos theta values. Then last one for the cot theta values, then write the reciprocal of the corresponding tan theta values.